Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and this is a continuation of our ultimate guide to espresso machines, and today we're going to talk about portafilter gaskets. Now, a lot of different machines require different gaskets throughout the machine, but one that you most likely will need to replace within every 3 to 24 months, depending. If you're in a commercial environment and producing 300 espressos a day, it may be as little as 3 months, maybe sometimes even 1 month. Also, if you have your machine on all day, it can wear and tear faster because these gaskets will typically harden the longer your machine stays on. In a home environment, you may get 24 months. I have seen some customers go 5 years, which I don't recommend because it just gets stuck and brittle and hard inside your group head. Now, what am I talking about? Well, here's a group head, here's a portafilter. This one is for capsules, and we normally don't get into the capsule business, but we do have some customers who like it. Now, this one, you'll see there's a gasket for the capsule, but primarily most machines will have this outer gasket that needs to be replaced. And again, as little as 3 months all the way up to 24 months. I normally don't recommend over 24 because we don't want it to get stuck in there, because then it needs to be chiseled out. Now, there are different types of gaskets, and every manufacturer is trying to get an edge on something, and one of those areas is the gaskets. And some customers prefer to change their gaskets because they may feel that it is better. This is a nano-coated E61 gasket, 8mm. This is an 8mm standard gasket. You put these two together, you could barely tell this is nano-coated. Now, when you do install these, typically you will see lettering. The lettering goes up into the group head, not down on the portafilter connection. Sometimes you'll see no lettering and a bevel. Typically the bevel will go up. In some cases, it will go down. So before you remove yours, please check, take a photo of the dispersion screen with the gasket and see if it has the bevel on the side of the portafilter. And then when you remove it, see if there's bevel on the upper side. Okay, so typically you don't put any type of lube or food grade grease on these. You can, but when you do replacing, you pull the old one out, make sure that it's thoroughly cleaned of any grease from coffee or oils, and then before inserting the new one. Sometimes you need a short stubby screwdriver to push it new one in. Okay, it may not fit perfectly, even if it's a manufactured spec one. And in some cases you can interchange. We'll get that into here later. Now, if your machine has had a lot of wear, and say your 8mm gasket doesn't work correctly, it's leaking between the group head and the portafilter, and you put in 8.5 but your portafilter doesn't fit, so you would need to get the 8mm and buy one or more shims that go on the top side. Okay, so it gives you a little more. So sometimes shims are needed, and these are typically made of paper. As you can see here, this is a round group head gasket. Pasquini used these years ago. Some Bizarras use these round gaskets. So again, check to see what your machine has and then order the appropriate gasket. In recent years, some manufacturers, even aftermarket suppliers, try to differentiate themselves by giving a silicone gasket. Again, letters up. This one doesn't have any bevel. You'll see these in red, blue, yellow, all sorts of colors. Customers try to get these to make a better seal. Typically, that's the reason. However, what I have noticed is these tend to wear faster. So that 3 months for commercial may go to 6 weeks. In the home environment, 24 months may go to 12 or less, because these, I notice, tend to wear faster at a cost for a better seal. It's not to say these are not sealing well, but some customers feel that these are a better seal. So if you have the leak, it's usually the gasket that needs to be replaced. But a little tidbit. You may be putting too much ground coffee in the basket, not able to lock the portafilter in all the way into the group head. So the first thing to check is put less coffee and see if it leaks, or the grind is too fine and there's too much resistance greater than what the gasket can hold. So you have to adjust both before you put in the new gasket. And you can also see, sometimes you see a lot of wear and tear on the gasket. But general rule of thumb, 3 months to 24 months to replace your gasket. Let's move on to the next one.